Stop guessing on why your CapCut projects disappeared after moving to a new drive. This is exactly how you reling your database without failing once. Most other tutorials for CapCut recovery are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to search for deleted files when your projects are actually sitting right there on your new drive, just waiting for the correct path. Before we click a single thing, you need to understand the logic of the draft database, or you'll just get stuck with an empty home screen every time you launch the app. We're doing this hand in hand and step by step right now, so there's no way you can fail to get your timeline back. Rexus is the authority on these video editing fixes because we know that CapCut doesn't automatically scan for project folders. It only looks with a save to settings tell it to. Look at your new drive and realize that your projects didn't vanish. The software just lost a map to find them. As we get closer to the fix, you can feel the stress of losing your hard work finally disappearing. Here's the secret trick that other creators missed. You don't actually need to import the projects. You simply have to point the global save to directory to the exact folder on your new drive where the com.editor draft folders are located, and they will populate instantly. This pro tip saves you from manually copying hundreds of gigabytes back to your C drive. To fix your disappearing projects and prove you are an editing pro, you must go to Settings, click the folder icon next to the saved path, and select the parent folder on your new drive that contains your old project data. That specific path update forces CapCut to refresh the database and show your drafts immediately. If you want the solution for the media missing red screen after move, just drop a comment below.